Roadrunner United. Roadrunner United was a project organized by American heavy metal record label Roadrunner Records to celebrate its 25th anniversary. It culminated in an album released worldwide on October 11, 2005, entitled The All-Star Sessions. 14 captains were chosen to lead 57 artists from 45 past and present Roadrunner bands and produce and oversee the album's 18 tracks. Then-Slipknot drummer Joey Jordison, Trivium frontman and guitarist Matt Heafy, Fear Factory guitarist Dino Cazares, and Machine Head frontman and guitarist Robb Flynn. The project was the brainchild of Roadrunner UK general manager Mark Palmer and Roadrunner USA VP of A&R Monte. The album project was coordinated by Lora Richardson and was mixed by Colin Richardson and Andy Sneap. The All-Star Sessions spawned one single and music video, The End. The DVD included with the CD purchase is a documentary of the making of the songs. It features the sessions of the 14 captains making their songs. On October 13, 2008, Roadrunner Records announced that a 2-disc DVD of a release party concert featuring songs from the album performed live would be released on December 9, 2008. The DVD features the full concert and a documentary. The All-Star Sessions. Track listing. C denotes the captain for the song. Personnel. Team captains. The following were the primary songwriters/producers for the album and were referred to as the team captains, each getting to select the musicians they wanted for each song. Robb Flynn co-lead vocals track 1, keyboards tracks 7, 9, rhythm guitar production 1, 7, 9, 16, Dino Cazares rhythm guitar production tracks 2, 5, 11, 17, Joey Jordison bass tracks 6, 10 drums production tracks 3, 6, 10, 14, 18, Matt Heafy lead vocals track 5, backing vocals tracks 8, 13, acoustic guitar tracks 4, 13, lead and rhythm guitar production tracks 4, 8, 13, 15, vocalists. Howard Jones co-lead track 1, Mark Hunter track 2, Glenn Benton track 3, King Diamond track 4, Matt Heafy track 5, Mina Caputo track 6, Max Cavalera track 7, Danny Filth track 8, Corey Taylor track 9, Jarl Palumbo track 10, Des Bafara track 11, Mikhail Ackerfeld track 12, Jess Leach track 13, Kyle Thomas track 14, Mikhail Graves track 15, Tim Williams track 16, Christian Machado track 17, Peter Steele track 18, guitarists, Jordan Wellen rhythm tracks 1, 7, 9, 16, Jeff Waters lead tracks 1, 7, 1, 7, and 7, Andreas Kisser lead tracks 2, 11, co-lead track 17, Matt DeVries rhythm tracks 3, 14, 3, 14, Rob Barrett rhythm tracks 3, 14, co-lead track 14, James Murphy lead track 3, intro lead track 14, Corey Beaulieu rhythm and lead track 4, Logan Mader harmonics track 5, Matt Baumbach rhythm tracks 6, 10, lead track 10, Tom Niemeyer rhythm track 6, Asai Slade rhythm track 6, Jim Root lead track 6, Justin Hagberg rhythm tracks 8, 15, Josh Rand rhythm track 13, Andy LaRock co-lead track 14, Mike Sarkisian co-lead track 17, Steve Holt rhythm and acoustic track 18. Bassists. Christian Old Walbers tracks 1, 7, 9, 16. Paul Gray tracks 2, 11, 11, 11, 11. Steve DiGiorgio tracks 3, 14, 14. Mike D'Antonio tracks 4, 13, 15, Nadia Pulin track 5, Sean Malone track 8, Marcelo Diaz track 17, Dave Pybus track 18, drummers Andals Herrick tracks 1, 7, 9, 16, Joey Jordison track 3, Roy Mayorga tracks 2, 5, 11, 11, Dave Chavery tracks 4, 15, Mike Smith track 8, Johnny Kelly track 13, Dave McLean track 17, keyboards/programming, Reese Fulber track 5, Junkie Excel track 10, Josh Silver tracks 12, 18, backing vocals track 12, Peter Steele track 18, engineers, Matt Stepanek tracks 3, 6, 10, 14, 18, Jason Sukoff tracks 4, 8, 13, 15, Roy Mayorga tracks 2, 5, 11, 17, Mark Keaton tracks 1, 7, 9, 16. Charts: Roadrunner United, The Concert. A concert celebrating the project album and anniversary took place on Thursday, December 15, 2005, at the Nokia Theater in New York City. The concert featured multiple musicians, both past and present, from Roadrunner bands as well as musicians that did not originally perform on the All-Star Sessions album. The set list consisted of some of the most popular and famous songs released by Roadrunner Records, as well as some of the original songs from the project's album. The core band, who performed on the majority of the songs, was Dino Cazares, Adam Duce, Paul Gray, Joey Jordison, Andreas Kisser, and Roy Mayorga. Set list: